ain't seen you go shopping yet, man. Show us how you shop. Here we go, baby. Jailbreak just got gassed up. Yo, 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 yo. But head to Farmer's Market out in Burbank. Give y'all a little drive there, you know what I'm saying? I just need, I like this apple juice. They got orange juice. Hyphy probably get some oranges. He been juicing. Get on this freeway. We got the, man, got the little evil Knievel head of it. Look at her. This little broad driving crazy. Good POV driving footage, man. They y'all driving kind of weird. Go, boys and girls. So the Jailbreak is a very fun car, but it's the car I'm the most scared of because it has so much slippage. It don't hook. Look at here with the radar. I'm at 60, homie. Yeah, I'm at 60, homie. Yeah, I see it with the radar over there. They trying to get you early in the morning, man. This is the worst area I ever lived in my life, bro. It's the worst area. It's just, they just thirsty to get you for tickets, and it's just so weird, man. Look at Hyphy Water. Oh, Speedy. Speedy Hyphy. Try to get your attention, like, and they be in slow cars. Yeah, so like I was saying, with the Jailbreak, it's awesome, man. Just too much horsepower. Now, if they make an all-wheel drive, well, like the Trackhawk or Durango, but in the Charger or Challenger, that's next level. But, you know, it's on to the demon, right? Last calls, right? That's what they say. What they said with the Durango, told them, oh, this will be the only one made, and we see how that happened. Same with my Benz, the GT63. They said they wasn't making no more. Then they came out with them 2023. So now I gotta get a new one. Got that new AWE exhaust on there, boy. It's barking, boy.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh man, it's time to go wild. Get them vein pumping pumps. You go to hyperlife.com. Get yours today.
This beauty though. Hey, this beauty. Hey, one of y'all, it's gonna be one of y'all's, man. So my kids, they getting older, so I'll be able to vlog some stuff with them. It been, bro, these 3 years, y'all, my kids been born, been tough. Toughest portion of my life, man. Just to stay motivated to film, being up all night sometime. Like, I don't, you know, talk about that type of stuff to you guys. But it's been tough, man. You mean, I gotta worry about the kids and be creative at the same time. So, you know, never been one to whine or cry or come on camera with sad talk or talking about mental health and all that weak stuff, bro. We need men in the world to eat that weakness up, man. When it get into your mind, eat it up, spit it out, bro. Get to work. Be an influence. Be a sign of strength, not a weakness. So that's what I exemplify, man. And I just, you know, on the internet for you guys, I just show fun. That's what I'm always gonna show. That's what the internet for me is like when I got in the acting business. That's all it's for, is entertainment, man. I talk serious business stuff to my friends, business partners, and family, man. And I don't, you know, I just was raised by tough parents. I never saw weakness. Never seen them cry. I don't even remember if they said I love you when I was a kid. Which didn't matter, because you don't miss nothing you never had. But life to me always been fantastic, man. We out there, look at Hypey Whitey, y'all. Hypey Whitey over there in this little jailbreak. Hear that exhaust, boy? You hear that? You hear that exhaust, boy? Jailbreak boys, man. Jailbreak boys. Early in the morning, 8:46 a.m. Everybody's still sleeping on the weekend. Here, I'm done by this sleeping in, boy. Oh, it's loud. Oh, it's loud. Oh, it's loud. Bots, boy. That's why y'all gotta get y'all some fast stuff, man. Never drive close to people, nothing. Don't tailgate. You don't let people be on your butt, on your side, nothing. Get away from them, man. It brings all type of feelings into people. This car get the most respect far as fear. People usually know somebody in this car young, on the younger side or wild side. In Burbank, baby, so I lived in Burbank 4 years. No, 7 years, excuse me. Wait, how many years? I lived in Burbank from 2010, yeah, to 2016, 6 years. Then I moved to Vegas for 4, from 16 to 20. Then I came back to LA in 20. Yeah. And I actually used to live right up here up the street. What is? So yeah, and it was expensive to me. I think I was paying $3,300 at the time. Apartment right up here, right here. The Avalon. Oh, I should have went down. I'm tripping. Be hypey behind me. Should have went down one. So yeah, right here I used to live. Avalon Apartments. Well, in that 6 years, I didn't get pulled over once. Let's go right here. go to Santa Clarita. Vegas, I only got, in the 4 years I was there, like twice. No tickets though. It wasn't until we got these Hellcats, bro. And these nice, super nice, flashy cars. Because in that time period, I was in a Porsche Panamera. When I was in Burbank, I had the Porsche Panamera. Didn't drive fast. I was drove like a 80-year-old man. Super slow. We getting it while it's fresh and not picked up. Y'all like that drive, man? Y'all like that drive? It's nice little footage, man. Let's see what Woodrow doing, man. Woodrow can't drive that good.
That works. You can see yourself. Hey, what's up? Hi. Hey, how's it going? Hey.
People probably sat on his neck.
Well, I mean, what's different than like a police body cam?
Oh, exactly. Oh, this be cold protection though, huh?
Yeah.
Be like, bro, hey, you getting filmed right now, homie.
Get your focus and energy. Work them now. Go to hypelife.com.
Look at that beauty, boy. Out here, Burbank Farmers Market. You know what I'm saying? So this my, I don't need to hire security now. I just wear this everywhere I go, like. Somebody like acting aggressive, or you know what I mean. What? This forehead when you laugh.
You heard that?
It was wet. I heard it.
It wasn't wet. It was poppy.
Poppy.
Yeah.
Sound like AWE exhaust.
Oh yeah, so your exhaust sounds really good.
Yeah, I'm shocked.
Super aggressive.
Yeah, I'm like, that theory with the mufflers over with. Cause it's popping more than with the mufflers. So it's just a car. So I'm looking for the Benz mufflers now. Try to get the stock ones back. Cause it's just, they made that car where I would probably have to buy a 7,000 exhaust system, get it to really sound good. I did like those Raisinets I got from that guy. Here we go, Burbank Farmers Market. Berries, I need some berries. Oh, I'm about to get me some berries today. So I had bought, I think it's those cookies right there.
Yeah.
Have you tried them? You tried these?
Yes, definitely.
Oh yeah, she laughed. Those things I couldn't even, but the peanut butter ones I like.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah.
The other ones are too chewy for you?
I couldn't even get in it.
Okay.
Couldn't even get in it, you know. These are the one with peanut butter
Yeah,
is
the
good.
peanut butter, yeah.
Well,
When do they cook them? The night before?
Yeah, we basically bake them fresh from scratch like every day, for sure.
Oh, every day?
Yeah.
Where do they sell them otherwise?
We do today. We also do,
let me get two
Sunday.
peanut butters.
Okay, you got it.
Oh, see, we gotta come early, Hyphy. Everything here. Everything is
I'm not
here.
getting the tahini anymore. Those don't, especially
Nah.
at the end of the day, they.
All I want is
Okay.
pineapple from him. Oh, that's my boy. Let me get these pineapple.
Yeah, he loves them pineapples.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
Y'all got watermelon?
Oh yeah, why no? Oh, that'd be sick, huh?
Yeah.
Have anybody ever did dry watermelon?
Mandarina?
No, I already know what I want.
No.
Oh, I want these too. I like those chocolate raisins. Let me get two of those.
No. Let me see.
Huh? I'm gonna get this. What's that? Dry kiwi? Have we tried that?
Yeah, you tried that. You didn't like it. It's
Oh, I didn't
chewy.
like it. Oh yeah. No, never mind. I'm good. I done tried everything. What you getting, Hyphy white boy?
You get the mango for sure. You gotta get.
Hyphy white boy.
Oh, cantaloupe's fire too.
Oh yeah, I got some. Dates?
Yeah. Your dates?
I'm good. I like dates.
Let me get a box of those dates instead. Oh, what about cucumbers? Not good?
No, they're good. The cucumber
Yeah, they're
water.
supposed to be the best.
So cucumbers and oranges, if I could get them. but their oranges weren't that sweet. I got some oranges from
The ones we get from
Target.
traders.
Was so sweet.
You know who got the, be honest,
Yeah.
some of the best fruit? Walmart.
Using that good
This shit-
GMO, probably.
Oh yeah, bananas be like that.
Damn.
Be the best, bro. Tasting, that is. Dried fruit. Remember, you seen that?
I mean, dried.
Dried vegetables. Oh, they got beets. Them raw beets. Beets supposed to be real good for you.
Yeah.
What's this?
Thank you.
This?
I don't know.
Watermelon.
radish? What is that? Oh, radish that look like watermelon.
This guy almost lost his mind. Watermelon radish.
Little carrots. So what's this one? That's 25 pounds.
How much is this?
15.
I'll get it. I'll run through that in no time, bro.
Cucumbers. He got some good looking cucumber. Oh, right here. Totally different. Cucumber. You need that. Are these the only cucumbers you guys have?
Yeah, that's
Oh, they are? Okay.
Oh, dropped the block on the ground. I'm gonna put it back on top of all this other shit.
All those sound effects he making and shit.
Clumsy mother.
What's up, baby? Let me get 3 apple juices and 2 orange juices. The big one.
Big one?
2 apples.
Nothing like the one from the store, huh?
Oh, hell no. It's the best. What apples y'all use to do that?
Those right there. Those two, the pink ladies, and then the Fuji ones right there.
Oh, the Fuji, yeah.
There, no
Wait,
sugar, no water.
Both of them?
Both of them.
What's the ratio?
I would say it's like half and half.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
And let me get 2 orange juices, too.
I almost want to juice my own.
Uh-huh.
Dude, that's like
Says seven, around 9.
7 to 9 apples. For how much juice? Oh, for one of them?
Oh, yeah? Damn, that's good.
Alright, so let me see.
I'm gonna get some apples then.
32, 2 for 18, 32, and 42 units here. Perfect.
There's another table right here. I don't think we should. Oh, no, don't take it. No cheese. I don't want to hear about it's healthy either. Let me get 2 of each berries right here. No strawberries.
2 and 2 and 2?
Yep.
$2 bill?
Uh-huh. You want to keep it? He may die.
What do you do with that?
18 and
It's real.
yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
This ain't real. Who's Stephen T? Who's Stephen TM? Who's this? This don't look real.
The president, boy.
That looks like a.
You have
It looks fake, man.
you have bad
Yeah, you better consume.
berries.
You better consume.
Waking, baby.
Yeah.
Yaki awaken. I ain't seen you go shopping yet, man. Show us how you shop.